we can set up formulas to tell the spreadsheet to do the calculations for us. When you're ready to set up a formula, you first need to click in the cell where you want the formula to go. Then type an equal sign. This equal sign tells the computer that you're setting up a formula. Then you can select the cells you want to use in the formula. For example, in this cell, I want to calculate the energy transfer out of the warmer water for Group A, Condition 1. The equation for this is mass multiplied by temperature change. So I will select cell C3 for the mass of the warmer water for this trial, multiplied by cell D3 for the temperature change of the warmer water for this trial. So my formula is the data from C3 multiplied by the data from D3. When I press enter, I'll see the answer appear in the cell. I can set up a similar formula for the energy transfer into the cooler water. Equals the data from E3 multiplied by the data from F3. Again, when I press enter, I see the answer appear. I could do this same process to set up similar formulas for the rest of these two columns, but since the formatting of the formulas would be exactly the same, except just one cell lower on the spreadsheet, I can simply click and drag down to carry the formula through the rest of the column. So now if I click in cell H4, we can see that the computer is taking the data from cell C4 and multiplying it by the data in cell D4 for this formula. Now that we have the energy transfers calculated, we want to display this data graphically in a scatter plot. To do this, you would need to select the data table. So I'm selecting from cell H3 to I7, and then go up to the menu bar and select Insert, Chart. Once your chart is created, we need to do a few things to format it properly. First, we need to make sure that Scatter Chart is selected. Mine did that automatically, yours might not. Then, if you want to add a line of best fit, we can do that by clicking Customize, Series, and then scrolling down a bit to check mark Trend Line. Lastly, I like to set the minimum value on both axes to 0 so that I can identify any possible y-intercepts in my data. So to do this, you need to go to the horizontal axis, and in the min value, type 0. And do the same for the vertical axis. Select vertical axis, scroll down to the minimum value and type 0.